Hello, we are discussing troubleshoot network basics. Log in the router, after that go to Diagnosis tab for details. Start diagnosis for your network working or not, if system finds possible causes of faults and provides suggestions. Troubleshooting time network issue find is the big challenge for engineer. If the system detects any potential causes of faults, it will halt the operation and display the identified issues. This allows the user to understand and address the problems before proceeding further. In my case, I have not experienced any issues accessing the internet. Then go to Diagnosis Tools. Here is more option to check network issue. Go to Ping. We ping 8.8.8.8 IP to check reachability. Here's the ping report. I successfully reached this services. If no getting services, 0 packet transfer or receive. Afterward, use the trace tool for more detailed analysis and to verify the path to the internet service. Enter the IP address you wish to check and click Start. If the service is successfully reached, the trace results will confirm connectivity by displaying all the hops along the route. However, if the service is unreachable, the trace results will show or indicate a dropped connection, helping to identify where the failure occurs. Check whether the URL server is HTTP raceable. Enter the HTTP URL and click Start for checking. If found, the show get 5 times succeed, otherwise show failed. Check the IP address corresponding to a domain name. Enter the domain name what you checked, then start the process. I successfully reached this services. If no getting services, 0 packet transfer or receive. The one-click information collection function exports diagnostic information such as the running startup configuration, current configuration, interface information, time, and system version to the web_diaginfo.tar file. The information collection process may take a long time. Please wait. Network packet capture is vital for network engineers to troubleshoot issues, analyze performance, detect security threats, and optimize networks. By examining raw data packets, engineers can identify problems like latency, dropped packets, or unauthorized access. Tools like Wireshark or Dump help capture and analyze traffic effectively. Example: if users report slow website access, a packet capture can show if the delay is due to DNS resolution, high latency, or packet loss, allowing the engineer to pinpoint and fix the issue.
Please subscribe my channel and like this video.